Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to manage your connected device on Fiverr. Maybe you want to know what devices are connected in your Fiverr so that you can secure your account. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can see or manage your connected device on your Fiverr account. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open your Fiverr application, you will see this home button icon, message icon, search button icon, list icon, and then the profile icon. In this tutorial, you simply need to tap on this profile icon. And now, you'll see here the preferences under the settings. Tap on it. And then in here, you'll see notification, security, language, and currency under the preferences. In this tutorial, you simply need to choose the security. And then once you are in this page, you'll see this multi-factor authentication and the connected devices. To manage your connected devices, simply tap on these connected devices. And as you can see, you only have device that is connected to your Fiverr. There you go. If you wanted to know how to manage your connected device on Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another ways how to manage your connected device on Fiverr, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.